Dear audience, today we are going to learn how to type the permutation in a Word document. To write the permutation, first of all, press and hold the Alt button, then press equal sign. Now type and press and hold the Shift button, then press minus sign, then type capital P. To write the capital P, press and hold the Shift button, then type P. Again, press and hold the Shift button, then type minus. Now type R. Now hit the space bar 2 times. Then it becomes the NPR. And in this way we can type the permutation symbol in the Word document. I hope that you could understand the today's lesson. Again, I will come along with a new video tutorial. Till then, goodbye.